Hi everybody, Chester here, and I'm right here with my $1 million dog, Miss Priss. You know, I said today was gonna bring Miss Priss on, but we got tied up, and you know what? Miss Priss got this new palette for Christmas, and we just can't seem to get her off of it, and I didn't have the heart to wake her up and get her prom dress on, so we just had to get her dressed up tomorrow. Oh yeah, Miss Priss. Wanted to talk to you a little bit tonight about the specials that we have at Dr. Organics. I got a message that was asking me what's the best thing for facial, different things for wrinkles and whatnot. When you go to Dr. Organics and look at the before and after, everybody there on my before and after has used the face cream and the face serum and the face and body soap. And also they have used the eye cream that we've got it on the web now, but we're going to introduce a special of that as well. But today I want to talk about the special right here is your face and body soap, your face and body cream, and your serum right here for those fine lines and wrinkles. And especially you ladies, if you never knew this, I'll give you a tidbit tonight. Women wrinkle right across here. Now, since I'm not talking to any particular individual, I can say that, but they wrinkle right across here, and the reason for it is they have less blood vessels there than a male does. What this product does, it increases the blood flow and gets it flowing and gets rid of the hardest wrinkles that a woman can have, and also down in here. In the décolleté area works extremely well. So those three products will make the biggest difference in your life. It'll also feed your skin. So hey, I'm gonna close it out for tonight and just tell you that you can be somewhere in the future, and the future will look better than it does right now. And me and Miss Priss will see y'all tomorrow.